Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. In this today's paper, I am going to solve 0606/12. I mean paper 1, variant 12, May June 25, non-calculator paper. Our full marks is 80 and time is 2 hours. And one more time, good morning. These are the formulas. Maybe I won't need it. So the first question is 3 marks here. Okay. The diagram shows a graph of y modulus of f of x where f is a cubic polynomial. Okay. So it's a cubic polynomial because there are 3 points noted on the x-axis. Okay. So first thing first, it should be x plus 2, it should be 2x plus 1, and it should be x minus 3. Okay. Now find expression for two possible functions of f of x. So it should be plus minus here. Okay. Write its expression in fully factorized form. Okay. So our y should be plus minus of a. First factor is x plus 2, the second one is 2x plus 1, and the third one is x minus 3. Now I have to find out the value of a, and for value of a I'll use the y-axis thing. So the value is which is okay 0, 2. So if I input the value of y is 2, I'll have here plus minus a, x is 0. So 2 times 1 times negative 3. So here I'll have plus minus a minus 6. There is 2. So the value of a should be minus 1 over 3. So our expressions for this curve is plus minus 1 by 3. So this minus will be eliminated as plus minus in the front. X plus 2, 2x plus 1, and x minus 3. This is our answer. Let me check a little bit. Hopefully I'm correct. Okay, going to the next one. This is the 4 marks questions. Solve this thing. Okay, so I am given as x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1, 6 over x to the power 1 by 3. Okay, I am treating let x to the power 1 by 3 as our a. So this is a plus 1, 6 over a. So here is a square plus a is equal to 6. So a square plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. So here is the thing, I have to do the middle factors. So which is 3a minus 2a minus 6 is equal to 0. So if I take a as a common, a plus 3, and if I take minus 2 as a common, a plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So our two linear factors should be a plus 3 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3, or I mean either a is equal to. So x to the power 1 by 3 is equal 3. So our x should be, if I do the cube on the both sides, I'll have x here on the left hand side and I'll have like 27 on the right hand side. Okay, I'm sorry, this is minus 3, right? It should be minus 3. So it would become minus 27. Okay, minus 3, so minus 27, and the next one is 2, so x should be 8. Yeah, these two are the solutions of this equation. Let me check a little bit. Okay, what I did first thing first. I'm just revising. Yeah, it is correct, I guess. Another question number 3. A circle has a center C. Acha, a circle with a center C has equation this given. So that this line is a tangent to the circle. I need to find. Okay, I need to show that this straight line is a tangent of this circle. That means they will have the single solution, only one touching point. Okay, so x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. I'll input the value of y in the first equation. So x square y is 2x minus 3 square minus 10 of x minus 4 of y plus 24 is equal to 0, right? So x square plus 4x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 10x. Okay, 4y, sorry. I have to change the y. 2x minus 3 plus 24 is equal to 0, right? So here is 5x square minus 12x minus 10x minus 22x and minus 8x, that means minus 30 of x, and here is plus 9, okay, plus 12, 21, 24, I mean 21, 24 is 45 is equal to 0. So I just have to show that this quadratic will have a single solution. Okay, so what would be the value of this one? If I take 5 as a common, it would become x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, right? So x square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So I can show that x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So x value is 3. X is equal to 3 here. So y is equal to 2x minus 3 is a tangent to the given circle. Yeah, sorted. Question number B. Given that this tangent touches the circle at point P, find the coordinates of P. Oh my god, it's a very easy one. Okay, so from A, I got x is equal to 3, so our y should be 2x minus 3. So 2 times 3 minus 3, which is 3. So our P is 3 comma 3. Okay, let me check. Let me revise a little bit. Okay, curve, I mean the circle, straight line. I input here, calculated. Okay, okay. Find the equation of the circle which has its center at P, passes through the origin. Center, okay. Center, let's check. A 3 3. Origin is 0 0. So the radius 3 square plus 3 square. Okay. So what can I write it down, like 3 root 2. Okay, our radius is done. Now I have to find the equation of circle. Achha. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Standard form of a circle. So x minus a is 3 here, plus y minus 3 whole square here, and it would become a, like, what it would be, r square. Okay, it would become a 18. Should I need to expand it? I guess no. This should be the answer. 0 to pi sine of theta. Nice. Okay, the integration of 0 to pi sine theta d theta, bonus marks. Sine theta means minus cos of theta, 0 to pi. Okay, minus cos of pi, formula minus cos of 0. Okay, cos pi 180 degree, which is negative 1. So it should be positive 1 here. Minus minus plus, and cos 0 is 1. So our total result is 2. Let me check. It's a bonus marks. Acha, sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, okay. Done. Now question B given as alpha should be 0 to 90 degree. So it's in the first quadrant. There is no issue. Can be written as sin alpha. Nice. Sec of alpha over cot alpha plus tan alpha. Sec can be written as 1 by cos of alpha. Cot can be written as cos alpha over sin alpha. Tan can be written as sin alpha over cos of alpha. Okay, 1 by cos alpha. Here is LCM sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, so it should be cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So 1 by cos alpha on the top. I mean, this is 1 actually. So sin alpha cos alpha on the top and 1 on the bottom. Cos cut down sin alpha. What we need to do? Show. That means showed. Okay. Nice question. Now the polynomial. The polynomial P is such that given Borodin A and B are integers. It is given that the first derivative of P of minus 1 is 21 and x minus 2 is a factor of P of x. Find the value of this. Okay, that shouldn't be an issue. So our P of x is given as 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus ax plus b. So P prime of x should be 9x squared, 14 of x plus a. P prime of negative 1, this is 21, 9 plus 14 plus a. So 9 plus 14 plus a. So our a should be Okay, 23, 21. It should be -2. Yeah, it should be -2. Now we need to get value of b. Okay, p of x is 3x cubed minus 7x square plus x plus b. Okay, x minus 2 is a factor, so I can write it down positive 2 here, and it should be 0 here. If I input 2 here, 8, 24 minus 4, 28 plus ax, I mean minus 2x minus, okay, a value is minus 2, x value is 2 minus 4. Okay, 28, a is minus 2 and okay minus 4 plus b. So here minus 8. So b is equal to 8. Let me just check the calculation. 24, 28, a is -2 and x is also 2. So 2 2s are 4 but minus 4 plus b. So 32, 24, 8 minus 8 should be positive 8 here. Okay, I'm going with my answer. Now question number b. Hence write p of x as a product of linear factors with integer coefficients. Nice. Okay. So p of x can be written as 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 2x plus 8. Actual function is like this one. Okay, now we know that x minus 2 is a factor, right? So x minus 2 is a factor. I have to times it 3x squared. So 3x cubed. Now 3 to the 6, 6x squared. Okay, x minus 2. Here is a very tiny space, so I'm not going to do the long division. So I'm doing my own method. X minus 2. So I need a minus x here to make minus 7x squared. Okay, and here is a okay plus twice x. So x minus 2 one more time, so I need to get -2, so I have to put -4. Okay, so -4 of x plus 8. Yeah, next. So the thing should be x minus 2 times 3x square minus x minus 4. Let me check. Let me just think about it. আচ্ছা আমি ঠিক করছি এখানে. Yeah, this is correct. Question number C. Using your values a and b, solve the equation. 3 e to the power 6y minus 7 e to the power 4y minus 2 as value of a e to the power 2y plus 8 as our b. I need to find out the value of y actually. So I think I have to take some like a prime type of thing. Let me think about it. Okay, I'll base e to the power 2y. Okay, so e to the power 2y to the power square doesn't make any sense. I'll get back to it later. Okay, question number 6. Ln y is plotted against x cube. Nice. A straight line is passing through points this and this is obtained. Find in terms of. Okay. At first I have to find out the gradient. Yo. So our aim should be 25 minus 5 minus 8 minus 2. Then it should be 20 over minus 10. Am I doing the same thing? Okay, minus 2. The equation y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Okay, here ln of y is against x cube. Okay, so I shouldn't take it like this way. I think I should take it like this way. Y is equal to m x cube plus c. M is negative 2 x cube plus c. Now I have to find out the value of c. So I'm inputting 5. So ln 5 minus 2 into 2 এর মাথার পরে cube plus c. So ln 5 is equal minus 16 plus c. Okay, I'm sorry. So 5. Yeah, now it's right. What did I mistake? M is minus 2 perfectly correct. And I'm getting C as a 25. Is it okay here? I don't think so. Let me little bit just think about it. So x cube is 2. Yeah, C is 9. So ln y is minus 2 x cube plus 9. Okay, find in terms of y, find y in terms of x, right? Okay, so we have to take e. Hmm, e ln of y is e to the power minus 2x cubed plus 9. So y e to the power minus 2x cubed plus 9. It should be the answer. Let me check one more time. Yeah, this is correct. Now find the find value of x when y is e to the power 25. Nice. Y is equal e to the power minus 2x cubed plus 9 here, and find the value of x when y is e to the power 25. Okay, I can eliminate e from both of the sides, so it should be 2x cubed plus 9. So 2x cubed on the left hand side positive. I mean minus 25 plus 9 here, minus 16. 2x cubed. So x is equal to negative 2. Should be the answer. Let me check one more time. Okay. Yeah, I think I did it correct. No issues. Question number 7. A geometric progression has a fourth term, geometric progression. So a r to the power 3 should be our fourth term. 8k to the power 6 by 27. And sixth term, a r to the power 5 is 32k to the power 10 but 243. For k is a constant, the common ratio of the geometric progression is positive. So r is positive here. Find the common ratio in terms of k. Okay, no issue. And the value of the first term of the geometric progression. Okay. Acha, so I'm taking this is as equation 2. I'm taking this is as equation 1. So 2 division 1. So we'll have r to the power square. 32 k to the power 10 over 243. 27 over 8 k to the power 6. Now without calculator it's tough to calculate. Which is 4. 27. It should be divisible by 27. 27 is 9 divisible, right? Okay, 27, 10 times is 270, right? So it should be 9 times. Yeah, 9. 4 k to the power 4 over 9, which is r square. So r should be 2 by 3 k to the power 2. So this is our r. Okay, একটু better ভাবে লেখা উচিত. I'm square rooting on the both sides. Okay, and the value of a. 8 k to the power 6, 27 r cube. 8 k to the power 6, 27 r cube. That means 8 k to the power 6, 27 on the top. So 8 8 gone, 27 gone. So it's a perfect one. Wow. Yeah, this answer. Number B, given that this geometric progression has a sum to infinity of 3, find the positive value of k. Sum to infinity is 3. So sum to infinity is a1 minus r. A is 1, 1 minus r. R is 2 by 3, k square. And here it is 3. Now 3 minus 3, 3 gone. 2k square is equal to 1. So 2k square is equal to 2. K square is equal to 1. K value is plus minus 1. Yeah, this is the result. Okay, how many left? Question 8. Find ddx of y when x is equal to 0. Give your answer in ln of p where p is a constant. Nice. Ln 3x square plus 16 over x plus 2. ddx of y x plus 2 whole square plus 2 ln. Okay, so 1 over 16 into 6x minus ln 3x square plus 16 into 1. Okay, so I have to write it like ln of p. Okay, so I can input the value of x is 0. That would become very easier for me. That means 2 here into 1 by 16 into a 0 here, perfect 0, minus ln of 16 4 here. So I can write the value as ln of 16 by 4. I have to write it down like ln of p. So what can I do right now? Minus 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, right? So 4 on the top minus 4 ln of 2, 4, 4, 4 gone, minus ln of 2. So I can write ln to the power negative 1. So I can write ln to the power 1 by 2. Yeah, this should be the answer. Let me revise. Okay, hopefully sure. Given that x increases to 0 to s, where s is small, write down the approximate value of y. Okay, it's a 1 marks question. Delta y over delta x dy dx. Delta y is okay into del of x. Here del of x is h. So the change in y would become ln of 1 by 2 times h. Yeah, the result is like this. Now question number 9. Find the okay. It is given that f of x this okay exists. Find the least possible values of a. X is greater than a, right? So ln should be positive. So 3x minus 4 greater than 0. X is greater than 4 by 3. Yeah. So a is 4 by 3. For your value of a, find the range of f. Okay. If I input 4 by 3 here, okay, if I input 4 by 3 here, 4 minus 4, so ln of 0, right? But more than 4 by 3, so it gonna be any number, right? So it should be a real number. The range is a real number. For your value of a, find the expression of f inverse of x. I need to find the inverse of x, right? Okay. Let y is equal to 2 ln 3x minus 4. So y by 2 ln 3x minus 4 e to the power y by 2 3x minus 4 e to the power y by 2 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to x. So f inverse of x is e to the power x by 2 plus 4 over 3. Number D, it is given that f of x equal f inverse of x has two roots. Acha. Find your value for your value of a. Okay, a is very important here. F of x and f inverse of x. Okay, no issues. I have to check the asymptote first. F of x is a ln function, right? And asymptote is minus, I mean, sorry, 4 by 3. Acha, 4 by 3. Let's check. This is a line of 4 by 3 here. So it will become like this. Okay, and for inverse one, I'm taking this as a line 4 by 3, so it should be like this. It should be like this. Okay, so this point and this point would be two solutions. And this is 4 by 3. Yeah, I'm okay with this one. Level is graph. Okay, intercept on the axis. Okay, I have to show this point and I have to show this point, right? Okay, so if I input a 0 here, it would become a 5 by 3, and it should be a 5 by 3 as well. Yeah. Now the question number 10, which is a big 10. The diagram shows the shape OABCDEF. Okay, no issues. OABCDEF. AOF. AOF is a straight line. OAB and OEF are sectors of the circle center at okay ভালো কথা. The angle BOA is equal EOF. Okay, so if this is X, it should be X as well. OCD is a sector of circle O at a radius. Okay, OCD is a sector of the circle with center O and radius 4r/3. Nice. Find in terms of r and theta the area of the region BCDE. Oh my god, it's a very simple question, but they just made it very complex. Sector OCD area is half of r square theta. R is 16 r square over 9 and theta is theta rad. Okay, 8/9 r square theta. Now I need to find out the value of x. 2x plus theta is a pi. So our x should be pi minus theta over 2. Okay, now I need to find out the area of the OBE. Now I need to get the value of the side. Oh my god, if this is r, it should be r, it should be r. AB sin theta. Area of OBE triangle. Half of r into sine theta is our theta rad. That's given as well. Why do I need to get that? Sine theta. So the shaded region should be 8/9 r square theta minus r square sine theta. Okay, question number B. The diagram shows the shape from part A with region OABEF shaded. Find in terms of R and theta the perimeter of the shaded region. Nice. So this is R, this is R, no problem. Okay, what would be that theta value? Pi minus theta by 2. X is pi minus theta over 2. Okay, now the arc AB is R into pi minus theta by 2. Yep, same thing. Pi minus theta by 2. AB, EF done. A to F is 2R done. Now I need uh, B and E. So I'll use the cosine formula. B square is equal to R square cos of theta. So 2R square cos of theta here. I just need only B. So square root R square minus 2R square cos of theta. Perimeter of OABEF is equal 2 times this one, right? So 2 into R into pi minus theta by 2. Cut it down. Plus 2R plus this. 2R square minus 2R square cos of theta. So 2R square, should I take common? 1 minus cos of theta. This should be the answer. এটা কি ভুল হলো? Let me check. No, it's okay. The question number 11, the last question. Oh my god, we have 12 as well. The diagram shows triangle OAB. OA is A, OB is B. P lies on, okay. Q lies on. AQ is equal to 1/3 of AB, okay. The straight line through P and Q meets, okay, R, given that O to R, lambda of P and P to R, mu of PQ. Achha, I have to find OR. If I want to take OR, I can take OP plus ER. OR, so I can take OP plus ER. So the OP is 3/4 OA and the PR is equal to mu P and Q. So I'm sorry. OA, which is A. Now I need to find out the value of PQ. So PQ can be written as PA PA plus AQ. PQ is PA plus AQ. So PA OP 3 by 4. So it should be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of A and AQ. AQ is 1 by 3 AB. Did I get anything? AB. Now I have to find AB. Mm-hmm. 3 by 4A mu 1 by 4A plus 1 by 3 AB. AB can be written as AO plus OB is equal to AB. AO is negative A and OB is B. So B minus A. Okay, hopefully I'm right here. Now I have to times this all sheet 3 by 4A mu 1 by 4A minus 1 by 3A plus 1 by 3B. 3 by 4A mu 1 by 4, which is 0.25, and 1 by 3 is 0.33. So let me first write B minus 12. Then 1 by 12 should be okay. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3, so 12. 3 minus 4 minus 1 by, yeah, I'm right. Yeah, should be the answer. Oh my god, 6 marks questions. Nice. Now hence find the value of mu and lambda. What is given as OR is lambda B, PR is mu PQ. अच्छा, OR is lambda B. I can write it down like 3 by 4 minus 1 by 12 mu into A plus 1 by 3 mu B, right? So OR is lambda B. Lambda is equal to BB comparison, right? So equating A and B. So lambda is equal to 1 by 3 mu. First thing first. And PR is equal to, okay. I think we don't need to get like PR2 PQ, right? So PR is just OR. And here is no okay, in this part here is no mu, right? So mu should be 0. There is no A. Yeah. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 12 mu is equal to 0. Achha, 1 by 12 mu is equal to 3 by 4. So it should be 9. And lambda should be 3. Yeah, it should be. Question number 12. A curve is such that its gradient at point x and y is given this. The curve passes through this. Okay. Find the coordinates of the station point of the curve. Nice question. A curve is such that its gradient at point x and y is given this gradient. The curve passes through this point. So this is the gradient. Of stationary point. Achha, for stationary point it should be 0. So 5x minus 2 to the power 1 by 3. So 5x minus 2 should be 0. X is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, I found it. A curve is such that the gradient is at this point, passes through it, and the আমি করে ডিম করব. I need to get y. Yeah, so I need to get the curve. Okay, by doing integration I'll get y here. 5x minus 2 to the power plus 1 plus c. At x equal to 2 by 5, or y should be 2 by 5. So it's a 0. 2 by 5, I mean 5 5 cut down, 2 minus 2, this is 0, 0 to the power something. Okay, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. It would become a 0 complete sense. So just see. Mm, 4 by 3 times 5. Okay, So I can input the value of c is like 32 by 5. I don't think so. That would much more appreciating thing, I guess. I can input the gradient value x, right? 2 by 5. If I input that value, what would be the point? So there is no point actually. কিন্তু চাইলে এটা দিতেই পারি। আচ্ছা আমি যদি গ্রেডিয়েন্টের ওই পয়েন্টটাই বসাই দিই, ওই পয়েন্টের ওয়াই তো আমি জানি না, সো আমি তো ওয়াই বসানোর জন্য অ্যাভেলেবেল পাবো না, রাইট? Yeah, so I have to follow this thing. So 32 by 5, 5 to the 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 to the power 4 by 3, 4 by 3 times 5 plus c. 32 by 5, 2 to the power 4 is 16. C. 32 by 5 minus 48 over 20 is C. Oof. 4, right? So our graph y is 5x minus 2 to the power 4 by 3. Very annoying question. 4 by 3 times plus 4 here. Now I have to find the value of y. Now I can input the value of x 5 by 2 here. It would only be 4 because this value would become a 0. So the stationary point is 5 by 2 comma 4. So 2 by 5 comma 4. How many questions left? There is one. Question 5. Only one question left. Sure. So I have to find out the value of y here. How to find out the value of y? Three to the power 3 times 2y. 7 e to the power 2 times 2y minus 2 e to the power 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is 9 e to the power 2y minus 14 e to the power 2y minus 2 e to the power 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. So 16, right? Minus 7 e to the power 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7 e to the power 2y is equal to 8. Am I doing the right thing? Acha, this similarity between these, right? So only x is equal to e to the power 6y. A into x. So e to the power 2y is our value of x. It should be 2. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm being super stupid. In exam hall, I won't get to correct it like this way. So I have to lose these 3 marks. So my sincere apology. E to the power 2y is equal to 2. So ln of 2y is equal to sorry. So 2y is ln of 2. Y is equal to half of ln 2. Yeah, this should be the answer. I'm pretty much sure this should be the answer. So the thing is done. Okay, let me revise for the last time. Number 1 done, 2 done, 3a b c done, 4 done, b done, 5a b c, okay, 6a b, 7a b, 8a b, 9a b c d, 10a b, 11a b, 12. Okay, done.